Backpacking offers a thrilling adventure that combines the joys of hiking and camping while immersing oneself in nature's beauty. For those seeking an escape from the concrete jungle and a chance to connect with the wilderness, getting started in backpacking is a perfect choice. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to embark on your backpacking journey, from selecting the right gear to planning your first trip. So, lace up your hiking boots and get ready to experience the wonders of the great outdoors. Understanding the basics. Before diving into the world of backpacking, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts. Backpacking involves carrying all your gear, including food and shelter, in a backpack while hiking for multiple days. Familiarize yourself with the terminology, such as base weight, trail name, and through hiking, to communicate effectively with fellow backpackers. Research different types of trails, such as day hikes, overnight trips, or long-distance treks, to determine the level of challenge that suits your experience and physical fitness. Gear essentials. Investing in proper gear is crucial for a successful and enjoyable backpacking experience. Start with the essentials: a sturdy backpack, a comfortable and well-fitting pair of hiking boots, and a reliable tent. Consider the climate, season, and duration of your trip to determine the appropriate clothing layers, sleeping bag, and cooking equipment. Remember to pack lightweight items to minimize the weight on your back. Research gear reviews, seek recommendations, and consult with experienced backpackers to make informed decisions. Trip planning and navigation. Planning is key when it comes to backpacking. Begin by selecting a destination that aligns with your interests and skill level. National parks, wilderness areas, and established trails offer excellent options for beginners. Obtain maps, guidebooks, and reliable sources of information to familiarize yourself with the route and any potential challenges or permits required. Develop an itinerary that accounts for distance, elevation gain, water sources, and camping spots. Consider the weather conditions and seasonal variations to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. Safety and leave no trace. Safety should always be a top priority while backpacking. Learn basic first aid skills and carry a well-stocked first aid kit. Familiarize yourself with the potential hazards of the wilderness, such as wildlife encounters and weather-related risks, and take appropriate precautions. Adhere to the principles of leave no trace, which promote environmental stewardship and minimizing your impact on the natural surroundings. Building skills and gaining experience. Backpacking is a learning process that improves with experience. Start with shorter trips to gain confidence and develop your skills in navigation, camp setup, and cooking. Join local hiking groups, attend workshops, or find a mentor to accelerate your learning curve. Gradually increase the difficulty of your trips as you gain more experience and feel comfortable tackling longer distances and more challenging terrain. Conclusion. Embarking on a backpacking journey can be a transformative experience, allowing you to disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with nature. By understanding the basics, investing in the right gear, planning meticulously, prioritizing safety, and continuously learning, you'll be well on your way to becoming a seasoned backpacker. Remember to respect and preserve the natural environment, leaving no trace of your presence. So step outside your comfort zone, embrace the unknown, and let the wonders of backpacking unfold before you. Happy trails!